In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add the Facebook chat plugin to your Wix site. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have a live chat feature embedded on your website to enhance visitor engagement. To start, we need to visit Elfsight Apps. Open up your browser and head over to the Elfsight Apps website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the homepage and find the Widgets section. Clicking here will lead you to a selection of widgets that you can integrate into your site. Now, in the search bar conveniently located at the top of the widgets page, type in Facebook Chat. This simple action will help narrow down your options, making it easier to locate the specific widget we need. After typing, you should see Facebook Chat as an option. Click on it. This will take you to the widget page where you can create and customize it to meet your needs. Next, click on Create Widget for Free. This button initiates the setup for your Facebook Chat widget. At this stage, you have the opportunity to personalize your widget, from choosing themes to specifying functionalities that align with your brand and website aesthetics. Once satisfied with your settings and design, hit the Create button to finalize your widget. With your widget created, click View Widget to see a preview. Here, you can review your creation and ensure everything looks and operates as you intended. Once confirmed that your widget aligns with your website's appeal, proceed by clicking on More Settings. Navigating here allows you to generate the embed code necessary for integration. In the More Settings section, find and click on Embed Code. This button provides you with the HTML code required to install the widget onto your Wix site. After that, click Copy Code to save this code to your clipboard, as you'll need it shortly. Switch gears now and head over to your Wix website editor. In the editor, locate and click on the Add Elements tab. Within this section, search for and select Embed Code. This option is vital as it allows you to incorporate custom HTML into your site. With Embed Code open, you'll want to choose Embed HTML. In the HTML editor that appears, it's time to paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Insert this code directly into the Embed HTML box. This step effectively integrates your newly created Facebook chat widget onto your Wix site. To ensure all changes are saved and applied, click Update. Congratulations, your Wix site now features the Facebook Chat plugin. This feature provides your website visitors with a direct communication channel, enabling real-time interaction and enhancing user engagement on your site. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new chat feature.